Greenwood St James, Jamaica. 3 armed men rob a house in broad daylight. Them all see the camera, but them not cater. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to me. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share. That's how you can support me. It's free. 3 masked men were caught on surveillance camera scouting a house in broad daylight in the vicinity of Greenwood in St James, Jamaica. The footage did not capture much of the persons. These perpetrators were well masked and clothed in black, but the video was shared online. Detailed the 3 suspicious men stole multiples of items from the house. According to the information online that was released, the robbers were conducting the search of the place that was made, and at the home, the gunmen held up the maid and stole 2 laptops, 2 GoPro camera, 2 cell phone, 1 backpack, 1 pair of clocks, and a pair of Nike shoes. Yo, the boy them a go dress fly later. The short clip did not show the robbers holding up anyone nor taking any items because them take off the camera before the illegal act could be captured. The footage which shows the man wearing a full mask and another clothes wrapped around half of his face concluded short after the camera was pulled off the property and carried away by the perpetrators. The information accompanying the video was stated that the 3 men tried to rob another house in the area but were unsuccessful. Them boy a cross. Them boy a make off with a Nike and a place of a pair of clocks. Listen to me, people. So what them boy a say? Although me have up me camera, them still a rolling. Me have to go put some electricity on the camera so when him grab it, him season like a some greens. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Make sure you secure your door. Grill up your thing them. Greenwood St James, Jamaica. Masked men caught on a surveillance camera scouting out the house in broad daylight. And then them go inside and rob the maid. Thought it probably was the wife. They stole 2 laptops, 2 GoPro, 2 cell phone, 1 backpack. It looked like the next one was not at home. And 2 pair of shoes, 1 clocks and 1 Nike ear. These thieves have no fear. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. I'm asking you to build up the Rastaman panel. Help us catch this criminal. Greenwood, we are look for them good.
So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them X with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them X with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, fire king. Yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got party, we got beautiful women. We're doing good things over here. Deep Roots, man. Keep it real.